Hello guys, this is my house. It is not really good looking. I have two kids. The younger one mastered the room. By the way, this is not my first vlog, let me say. This is not my first vlog. This is kind of my I normally don't speak on my video. I do eating videos most of the time, but after quite some time I am re-uploading or retaking my starting a vlog again. I'm not proficient or professional in recording video, but I have a desire to grow my blog and keep sharing you guys my life, what's going on. There could be a lot of mistakes, but we're all human being and we want to be successful, overcome the failure. So please don't mind the image, the video, I'm taking right now. And well, this is me. Okay, and from today onward I'm going to go ahead and start uploading videos of me eating food, eating many varieties of northeastern foods. Could be from Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, from anywhere. Most probably I'll be eating Manipuri food because I'm a Manipuri. So, but I love all types of food from Northeast. Alright, so I request you all to like this video, subscribe, and please wait for my other videos as well. It's coming up soon, and I would request you to support this channel, support me, because I want to be successful, honestly. Thank you so much for watching these videos, and with these few words I'll conclude here. Please do like and subscribe. I won't say share because there's nothing in this video that could benefit many people, but if you want, you can share. I will request you to support and leave a comment below so that YouTube would push me up.